Copywritten, so don't copy me. Good morning, my little newsies. Oh my goodness. Today is Saturday. It is 9:26 and it is 50 degrees. It's very cloudy. We're supposed to get rain today. Oh my gosh, I don't even have my beads. Okay, anyway. I have a new client this morning. And hopefully she shows up. But if she does or not, I still have to go here to pay my rent for next week. So this lotion is cold. My fingertips are cold. I'm gonna show you guys what it's looking like. Nice and cloudy. So y'all know today I'm going to Vegas. So I guess I'll vlog about that. I'm not sure. So I am driving alone. I was supposed to have someone going with me, but I'm going alone. And yeah. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to Vegas alone. That's cool with me. But it's nice to have company too. So I'm hoping that if it rains, that I will get through the Cajon Path before the night, because I don't want that water or the rain to freeze up and they have that black ice. So my bag is packed. I washed clothes this morning. I cooked all his foods for Sunday, so I just gotta fix all his plates when I go back home. My son is there, so he's gonna fix his dinner plate for Sunday, and I'm gonna fix his breakfast and his lunch for Sunday. Girl. As always. And if I can say I love you, you can definitely love yourself. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.